Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to copy a Confluence page. First, go ahead and log in to your account. Once inside the dashboard, on the left panel, select the space that contains your page. Now, once in, just go and choose the page you want to copy. Then beside its name, click on the ellipsis or the three dots. Then from the option, you now have to choose on the copy link. Once that it's copied, you can go ahead and click on the plus sign button beside the content so you can create another page. Once done on creating, you can go ahead and paste in the link of the page that you copied. Now, when you click on configure, you will have the option to view it as URL, inline, card, or embed. I would suggest for you to choose on embed so you have a better preview of the page that you copied. And that's just it. That's how you copy a Confluence page. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.